Good morning, children. Actually, this in the previous video, this now it was very unfortunate that actually this due to some technical issues, clear your video came accidentally to the end, clear, and it is stopped working. That's why this example two we are taking clear once again. See theorem 10.7 we have seen that chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Where if OA equal to OB, that is pictorially we can understand OA equal to OB, then PQ equal to RS. Okay. Now example 2 that is given in the book, textbook. Clear? This is actually the way it has been solved. Clear? It may be difficult or it may be easy for you, but there is another way to solve this question. Let's see what is the question. If two intersecting chords, it is example 2 of the question, that is of the textbook of chapter circle. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. Okay, children, let us draw a circle. Clear? That is this here in the previous video. Clear, children? I tell you, in the previous video I was solving the question, I was making the video, but unfortunately, clear, this video came to an end, and unfortunately it is stopped. Clear, so I am this solving it again. Now this is the circle with center O. Okay, children, circle with center O. According to the question, if two intersecting chords, clear, two intersecting chords are there. See, this is what is this is the diameter of the circle. Let it be the diameter of the circle passing through the center of the circle, that is center is O, and two intersecting chords, let it be what, PQ and RS. Two intersecting chords, that is, see, let it be this PQ and RS. Clear? They both intersect each other at, let this point be what, C here, right? Let this point C this time, clear, and PQ is a chord, clear, and RS is another chord, clear. RS is another chord. Okay, children, here according to the question, if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter, clear, let AB be the diameter, clear, PQ and RS are two equal chords, clear. If two intersecting, not equal chords, if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles, clear, equal angles with the diameter, means this angle is equal to this angle. Clear, children? It is given, right? Okay, then what happens? Let us see. Then we have to prove that the chords are equal. We have to prove what is given. What is given in the question? That is, let us write down. Given PQ and RS are two chords. Given PQ and RS are two chords. Clear, children? Of circle. Two chords of the circle. Clear, children? And which intersect at C. Circle which intersect at C. AB is the what? AB is the diameter. See, AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter passing through point C according to the question, because see, both the diameters are see, AB is the diameter passing through point C, because see, point C is the point of intersection of both the chords PQ and RS, and this AB has to pass through point C. Okay, what else is given? Such that passing through point C, such that What else says that? What? This angle. Which angle? Means angle NCO. See here, that is you should draw a perpendicular. Says that angle, you see, write down, says that angle, this uh, let it be angle SCB, that is such that angle SCB. Clear? Means angle C. This is angle, let it be, so that angle, don't take it SCB, such that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Clear? Such that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Means these are the angles made by the two intersecting chords with the diameter. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now, okay children, to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that PQ chords are equal. That PQ equal to RS. Now some construction is required. What construction is needed, children? Let us see. See, drawn here, draw the perpendicular, drawn ON. O is the center of the circle. Drawn ON perpendicular to RS and OM. This is angle 2, and OM perpendicular to PQ. Drawn OM perpendicular to PQ and ON perpendicular to RS. Okay children, now start proof. Okay, start proof children. In triangle what? OMC. Clear children? OMC or OCM, whatever you take. In triangle OMC, and triangle that is ONC. In triangle OMC, where is that? OMC, that is C is the point of intersection, and triangle ONC. Clear? What do we have here children? That is angle C here. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, that is children. That is angle 1. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Okay children. What is this? This is angle 1. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Both the angles are equal. That is given. That is angle 1. Sorry. This is angle 1 equal to angle 2. That is given in the question itself. Clear children? What else is there? That is, see, angle M equal to angle M. This is angle M is what? Here 90 degree. That is angle M equal to angle N. That is in triangle I am talking about. This side angle M equal to angle N. Clear? That is 90 degree each. 90 degree each by construction. By construction. Okay children. And what else is there children? What else is there? OC. See, OC equal to OC, that is common in both the triangle. That is OC equal to OC, that is common in both the triangles. This implies that triangle OMC is congruent to triangle ONC by which rule of congruent? That is, see, this angle is equal, this angle is equal, AAS, that is by AAS rule, by AAS, angle side rule. Okay children, so triangle OMC is congruent to triangle ONC. Okay, and this implies that what? This implies that OM equal to ON. That is, OM means distance of the chords, clear, from the center. That is OM equal to ON. What does it mean? OM equal to ON by CPCT. By CPCT. What is OM equal to ON? OM equal to ON means their distances from the center, perpendicular distances from the center. Okay children, now let us move to the next part of the board, that is, okay children, now OM equal to ON we have proved. Now we know that what? Now means their distances. Now their distances from the center are equal. Now we, okay children, now we know that the chords equidistant from the center. See, this is OM equal to distance of the chord from the center. What is OM and ON? OM and ON are the perpendicular distances of the chords from the center. That is, OM equal to ON means these chords are, we have proved that these chords are equidistant from the center. We know that, now we know that chords equidistant, we know that chords equidistant from the center of the circle are equal in length, okay children, that is chords equidistant from the center are equal in length. This implies that what? That is what? That is OM equal to, that is OM equal to ON, then what? Then PQ equal to, then that is if OM equal to ON, where then PQ equal to RS. Okay children, then see OM equal to ON that we have proved over here, where this implies that PQ equal to RS, PQ equal to RS, and that is what clear we have to prove, PQ equal to RS, PQ equal to RS, and that we have to prove. Hence clear, this implies that, see, we have proved that, what we have proved, that the chords are equal. Okay children, and that is proved. Okay children, now thank you and have a nice day. See, this video is children, actually this video, second video of shorter length, that is this is in continuation with that the previous video. Actually, because of some again and again I tell you, because of some technical error, clear, this this mobile switched off, clear, and we have to this reprove the theorem in the next video. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day, and try to cope up with the situation.